So it's good to hear a lot of testimonials. अगर आप देखेंगे तो when people share their testimonial, that itself is a journey. और हम सबके लाइफ में कोई challenges आते हैं, कभी health challenges, कभी relationship challenges. तो we all go through some of the other challenges. बट अगर आप सबकी स्टोरी सुनेंगे, लोगों के अपने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सुनेंगे, टेस्टिमोनियल सुनेंगे, तो उससे एक बिलीफ आता है कि नहीं, ये हमारे साथ भी फिर ऐसा हो सकता है. सेकेंडली, यू कैन डू चक्रा मेडिटेशन, you can do any meditation, because at the end, when you go to a alpha state with meditation, you go to a delta state, theta state, you go into a parasympathetic nervous system, right? And our parasympathetic nervous system, the moment that gets activated, it activates autonomic nervous system, which is the biggest pharmacy of chemicals. Whatever chemical is needed, whatever hormones are needed to balance will be released. Body has its own intelligence. Your heart is beating without you directing it, right? Your digestive system is working without you directing it, right? All our organs are working without our instructions, and so amazingly well. Our body itself is a miracle machine, and our bodies are wired for wellness. Our body is a 24/7 wellness producing machine. So ऐसा नहीं है कि अरे कुछ करने से ही ठीक होगा. हम कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ खुश रहेंगे, राइट? रेजिस्टेंस नहीं रखेंगे. एलोपैथी से भी रेजिस्टेंस नहीं रखना है. एलोपैथी नहीं लेना है, नहीं ले, बट वी डोंट रेजिस्ट एनीथिंग. एंड एट द सेम टाइम, कोई एलोपैथी से एलर्जी भी नहीं है कि कभी इमरजेंसी है तो ले भी लेना, उसमें क्या है, राइट? आई गॉट माई नी सर्जरी डन, तो वो तो एलोपैथिक ट्रीटमेंट ही हुआ ना. एंड इट्स एन अमेजिंग ऑफ मॉडर्न साइंस की 2 इंसर्शन करके उन्होंने पूरा सर्जरी कर दी इनसाइड द नी फॉर अ एसीएल टेयर. सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट एडवांसमेंट इन दिस मेडिकल साइंस कि इतना इजी और सिंपल बना दिया, राइट? बिकॉज आई गॉट द नी सर्जरी, I am taking collagen. So it's fine. You have to balance it. While I'm meditating also, but ठीक है, because of this specific surgery, I'm taking extra medical support. But I know it is temporary. I'll take for another 10 days, 15 days, then I'll stop taking it, right? So find a balance, find a middle path. We don't have to become rigid to anything. And again, meditation, why we do it? Because it's a science. And when you are joyful, when you are happy, that is your guidance system. When you feel you are happy, when you know you are happy from inside, then you should know that you are also healing from inside. And as you believe in yourself, as you believe in your own body, as you believe in your own capacity to heal, you will see the evidence of that in your own body.